Attention! Everyone stand. I'm announcing that the trial is about to start. You're sued for not being competent and self-sabotaging and criticizing yourself on the internet. Wanted. This is a story about a girl rediscovering and reassuring herself through an haircut appearance change.
Welcome back to Salon Hair. Welcome to people who are returning and welcome to the new. Hello, I'm Priscilla. I'm so tired because now is halfway through my midterm week. I've only kicked out 2 and another one tomorrow online. So now is an impulsive little break from studying with my bare naked face. And then today we're gonna cut our hair. I don't want to film it because I'm so sleepy. This is not self-deprecating. It is really me being tired and not trying to be relatable. We need to stop the trend of being self-deprecating and being relatable. It's a real problem on the internet. It is a really fine line between truth for self-deprecating and fake self-deprecating. I really don't know what is true. I kind of do that in my past videos, but I'm trying to find my own voice in my videos. I can communicate to you guys authentically, but it is so hard. So what is relatability anyways? Relatability kind of means that you find resonance with this person. When you speak something or you guys laugh about something together, you feel like he or she understands you. But on YouTube, that is really key for building connections with audiences. But sometimes the self-deprecating version is not that. It just feels I'm just punching myself for the appearance of the character on camera. But I don't know. Is people buying huge cars and houses with boyfriends at like 18 or something relatable? Or just doing haul ranting about school being relatable? Or being a toxic productivity person is also relatable, because this society has always been telling us to run on this hedonic treadmill and gain a lot of money, fame, successful things and all that stuff. So I really don't know how to justify about that part. It really differs from culture to culture because I'm Chinese. So I have a lot of mixed culture. It's really hard for me to find what even is relatable for myself to other friends. It has been a pretty difficult time for me to gain my confidence and find friends around me, because I moved 15 times throughout my whole life. Not 15, that's a little bit too much. I've moved around, I think, 12 times throughout my whole life. And it's kind of hard to find a location called home. I find people to call home, if you get what I mean. I call people home means that I feel safe and really relatable to this particular person that I'm hanging out with. So let's get on to the haircut. Haircut is like an appearance change, and somehow they say if you change your appearance, you might change your inside. That may be an idea of gaining self-confidence and believing in yourself or something. So let's gain some confidence through this haircut. And I kind of forgot how to cut my hair, so I need to look at my old videos to see how I do it. From watching myself from the past and see how happy I was with my friend. Flashback to the time in Amsterdam. Inter-analysis. Home from the Leiden train station. I wanted to cut my hair because this looks like a bunch of hay and bird nest in my head right now. I didn't break up or go through anything. I didn't fail my test or get kicked out of school, or I didn't feel any proposal to a male or have any trauma with my experiences at the beginning of the year. I didn't dye my hair, so you can't see the colors of the dye. Otherwise, as the time goes by, I would feel like I'm like a tree with a lot of rings. You can tell how old I am. Is this what friends supposed to do? Help someone to cut your hair? It's just fun trying some new things. I'm not gonna get any bangs. Or this is my bangs with my fingers. It looks like this. The plan here is to first tie your hair into 2 ponytails. Second step to determine how much you want to cut. And third step is literally cut it across. So let's see what we're gonna happen with. This is a really nice tutorial right here, so hope you guys can follow along. Yeah, so we're cutting this much, apparently. A really amateur version of cutting your hair at home. I've never did this because I always wanted to cut my hair, but when I went to Morocco, my hair was literally just a pile of hay. How nice when I have an analogy of hay and then there's also hay on the side. Ready? Go! This feels really like therapeutic and satisfying. That ASMR sound, oh my gosh. I think I'll regret, but there's no time to regret.
Uh-oh.
This is a really life accomplishment. I've never done this in life. Should we like fix the bottom? Because it doesn't feel like it's dog bitten, but it feels like it's too even. After you put my hair down, it's gonna be like a straight line. We're gonna try to trim it on the back so you guys can see it. If you want to cut the hair into less even, you hold it up like this and then you cut it straightly. We're really amateur barbers here. Oh.
I have no guts to do this by myself, so thanks to her then. Because she said she cut her hair by herself. You grow together. I help her grow her hair cutting skills. She can start her own business of a barber shop sometimes because all foreign students don't like cut their hair in a barber shop. Because when I was in Spain, my friend went to a barber shop in Chinatown. She got her neck swiped by a scissor, so she had like a little cut on her neck. After that traumatic experience, she never wanted to cut her hair in Spain again. So that's a lesson learned. Don't cut your hair when you're outside of your home country. I feel like there's this really attachment thing to your hairdresser at home. Once you have to stick to that hairdresser in your home country, you don't want to cut your hair anywhere else. It's this really strange thing with women. We just like to get attached to things at home. And now we're still trimming the edges and my shirt. Looks kind of cool.
Wow!
So short and fresh, man. No, it's not. It's really short and fresh, woman. I'm a female, not a man. This is new. You guys like my new hair. Let me take off my shirt so I can see the real length of my... Ooh,
See?
it's so short. Really glamorous haircut. I hope that was a mirror, but there's no actual mirror here. They're supposed to like place the mirror. Like this is what hairdressers do all the time. They put like the mirror on your back and then let you see what the end feels like. Somehow this might reflect the hair on the back and let me see. So we're just trying to be like pro here. And summer is for short hair, but now it's not even summer. Spring is coming along first.
I would just say that camera is such a powerful tool for me because I would never dream of me cutting my own hair at home after my friend has demonstrated to me in Amsterdam. So here we go. Tie it up into 2 little ponytails and then determine how much I'm gonna cut, like this or something. And I can't even see the back, so it's gonna be a mess. You tie this part first and then just trim it across. I feel kind of different from my January self and now because I don't know which one on me on camera is the real me and which one's the fake me, which one is just acting for the camera. I feel like we play a role even in different situations in life. It's just not acting in front of the camera. It's just acting when as a child, when you're at home in front of your parents, or acting in school as a classmate, acting as a YouTuber like this, acting as a particular role that you're in life. You kind of gain confidence with your experience, and once you start doing it, the feeling of excitement and the creativity flow really comes in when you're in that mode of working. I will still be able to tie my hair after this horrible, impulsively cut hair. So I guess we'll just cut this much. So it's just finding something you love. But how do you find stuff you love? I feel like so many people don't have their own interest because the internet is just this wild ass place of dopamine breaks places. You can just go on there and get a dose of dopamine that day and then you're satisfied. I just finished my pharmacology test, my psychopharmacology test, and it says that drugs can increase your dopamine level by 1000%, but natural stimulants from the world. Now we got the hair cut into 2 pieces and then here we go, folks. This is so scary. Another craft scissor again. I can't even see if it's even. Oh gosh, I feel like I'm gonna mess up the evenness. Okay, this is good. Okay, we'll never fix it anyway. Here we go. Confidence, here I come. Hair will go back, so there's nothing to regret in life. That's the thing. Oh gosh. Come on, just get it across. This is taking so long. Oh. Ooh, there's something. So now we're gonna take this apart. This is so short. I love cutting my hair at home. It is so adventurous. See, I already gained my confidence through cutting my hair. It looks kind of impulsive and dog bitten or lion ripped. It looks good on the back. I feel like it's like so crazy and hay-like. I don't even want to fix the edges. I'm so lazy. This is how you gain confidence, from reflecting your own self and gaining through your experiences, I guess. Or maybe overthinking and being nervous all the time and procrastinating is just an obstacle to overcome my anxiety and be confident again. Quarantine time activity is the best. Confidence comes from within. I look good in anything and hair grows out. There's nothing to regret. So I'll see you guys next week with some more normal video. I don't even know what normal is and what's wacky. See you guys next week. Bye!